Want to back up your database and automate the process? Here's the simplest way to do that. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, and if you like this video, then don't forget to click on the like button. Let's start. We'll be using Laravel backup package. So pull in the package using Composer like this. Now publish config file using this command. You will see a new file backup.php inside config folder. Open it. There are a bunch of configuration settings here. Let's look at them. In the source here, you can write your file path or directory that you want to include or exclude from your backup. You can write the database connection name which you want to backup here, and also exclude selective tables from backup if you want. Within destination, you can write disk name on which you want to store backups. We are using local for storing backups on local disk, but if you want to store them in AWS S3, then you can define your disk in filesystems.php. For using S3, all you need to do is pull in league/flysystem-aws-s3-v3 package using Composer and write your S3 access credentials in .env file. You can select the notifications that you want to receive, and you can write your email ID on which you want to receive your notifications, or even get these notifications on Slack if you want. Don't forget to configure your email service if you haven't from mail.php and mail credentials in .env file. You can configure health checks, and inside cleanup, you can set the number of days you want your backups to be kept and deleted automatically after a certain time period. Once done, all you need to do is schedule these commands using Laravel Scheduler. If you want, then you can directly set them in cron tab or supervisor, whatever you are using, but Laravel Scheduler provides you a clean way to do that. Next, you need your Laravel Scheduler to run every minute using either cron tab or supervisor. If you are using cron tab, it should look something like this. Once done, all your backups will be stored and you will be notified on email or Slack as you have configured, and old backups will also be deleted automatically as configured by you in backup.php. Link to the entire code is given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you would like me to make a video about a specific topic, then do let me know in the comment section below.